If you've never smoked your burgers before, I highly recommend it. Today on The Silly Kitchen, I'm just going to show you a really simple way to cook your burgers a little bit different than your traditional barbecue or in a cast iron pan. I absolutely loved the results of this burger, the flavor, the cook on it, the juiciness. So away we go. I'm using some medium ground beef. I've also put in some shredded cheese, some sharp cheddar in there, as well as some pieces of bacon, because why not? We smoked some bacon on the Traeger earlier, so I've got some to put in there. And I'm putting a little thumbprint in the middle just to kind of keep it from flaring up. I'm not 100% sure that that's a necessary step in this cook process, but that's just kind of a habitual thing with making burgers. My Traeger is warming up to 225 degrees. I seem to like that temperature. It is a really good one for a lot of the cooks that I've been doing that are a little bit shorter. The burgers are gonna go on and stay on for 1 hour. After that hour is done, all I'm doing is giving them a flip to the other side, and I'm gonna put in a slice of cheese just to give it a melt for the last 5 minutes or so. The results of doing a burger smoked are incredible. You get such a different flavor than any other way of cooking a burger, and it stayed so juicy at that temperature. I was actually also surprised that I cooked my bacon right beside it because I wanted to do a little bit more bacon on the Traeger, pulled those out 15 minutes before the burgers were done, and I even put in my bun into the smoker, gave that a little smoke flavor, and it crisped up really nicely on the Traeger as well. So I did everything I needed for my burger on one machine, this beautiful smoking machine that I am madly in love with, and so excited that I get to share with you how positive and easy and delicious everything that I've done on this has come out. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a juicy smoked burger in your future. Thanks again. Till next time.